the new version of the clapper. If you are an 80s kid or a 90s kid, you must remember those clapper commercials that were everywhere, and being able to turn off your lights with like clapping or doing something. But I feel like that's the old school version of this, right? So nowadays you have smart appliances, you have smart plugs that you can leverage to have that same effect, right? To where if you're lying in bed, you want to turn off the lights, you can just simply hit a remote control and it will go ahead and send a signal to turn the lights off, which are awesome. So definitely a better way to do it. So let me show you this product. Here is what I bought and I was really excited about it. So it's just a remote control outlet, very straightforward and simple, but you get 3 of these and then you have the one remote control and they have different variations. So if you use this and decide that you want more, there's like 6, 7, etc., 5. So you can get more of these plugs and then more remote controls to go with that. But I haven't set up one of these before. I've actually kind of been doing it old school, not, just basically getting up to turn off my lights. So really excited to check this out. So here's what's in the box. So I'm just going to show you what's in here. So you do have the remote control. So this one is right here. You can see that there's a few buttons on here that you can program, and then you have an on and off switch so you can validate if it is on or off. You also have a little battery. I'm assuming that this goes inside the remote. So which is good because it comes with one. Yeah, it is right here inside the remote control. So it does come with one, which is nice. So this is just going to be a 12-volt battery. You also get the instruction guide, which of course anything tech is appreciated. But this walks you through exactly what the LED indicators do and how to get it turned on, and then also how to troubleshoot, which is cool. So just say that you're having issues where it's just not working as expected, or you're not, sending the signal out, then you have options on how to troubleshoot. So here is what they look like, pretty straightforward, but all it is like a plug, right? So you have this and they're connected to each other. So you can see here, so you can just pop them out. So here's one of them. And yeah, super simple. You can see that it has the little, so this would be the LED light that illuminates when you're active. And then that's it, super straightforward. You have a power button up top. And I like that this is the 3-prong. So it's a 3-prong plug here. But yeah, this looks great. Looks like it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to put the battery into here and we'll get it set up. And what's really cool about these that I actually just noticed is that each one has a number, right? So you have 3 on this one, I have 2 on this one, and then I have 1 on this one. And that corresponds, of course, to your little remote, right? So you have on and off for 1, 2, and 3. Super simple. We're going to test it out. So I have this little lamp right here, which is usually what I have right by my bed. And I think this will be really valuable because if this works, I don't have to get up and turn the switch to turn it off or unplug it. All I have to do is just hit the button on the remote, which is going to be great. So let's test it. So I have 1 here. This is 1. So I'm just going to plug this into my outlet. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. And then the light should illuminate. Yes. So this is telling me that it is on. It is connected to the power source. So then now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and plug in my lamp into here. Okay, so that's perfect. So then now I don't have to program anything. It's pretty much automatic. It knows that this is 1. So now if I hit the 1 button, in theory, it should turn on. Yes. And we can hit this one to turn it off. On and off. On and off. Okay, so now it says that it's actually good from 100 feet away. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. So let's go. I'm just going to take you with me. So there it is. You can see that it's off, right? It is off. So I'm going all the way over here. We're going into the garage. And I'm going to go into the back of the garage. I'll turn the light on so we can see. Okay, back of the garage, because it says it's 100 feet. And then it should work even with like doors and walls. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. We're going to go ahead and hit the button here. On. Okay. Let's check it out. Off the lights. Ah, and she is on. You see her on over there. So yes, it does work. It does work even within walls. 100 feet, sounds like it should be about right. Final thoughts on these. I really like them. It was actually easier to program than I was expecting, which is awesome. So again, you have 3 of these. You have the remote control that you can program all 3 of them. I also like that you have different options. So again, if I'm using these 3, I decide I want 5, I can get another set that has more, which is awesome, but super easy to use, very effective. Again, we did the test where you can use it from even far away, 100 feet, which is awesome. So really recommend these. They are awesome. I'm going to buy a few more because I can think of a bunch of use cases. Just imagine Christmas, right? Like I have lights everywhere. I have the tree on. I have lights around the house. That's going to be awesome. I can just say boom. And then a lot of times, I leave the tree on downstairs. And if I upstairs and I want to go to bed, I don't have to get out of bed, walk all the way down here. I literally can just hit a button and boom, Christmas lights off. So that's going to be a game changer on the holidays. So definitely grab yours now. Super excited.